Welcome back. Now get started with the SSIS project which we have just created. In this project, how we would like our flow to be is first we want our dimension table to be loaded. Then after the dimension table, we want our fact table to be loaded. So how we can achieve this task inside the SSIS. You see, we have packages, then project, then solution. So let's rename this package as main and add a new package, new SSIS package, and rename this package with the name dim country, dim country. mm, okay, and add a new package and call it fact maintenance. Fact maintenance. Okay, now let's open our main package. Our main is main fact in country all are open, so we will go into our main TTSX and open the solution explorer, and here we will define how we are going to execute our packages. So we will add execute package task, then a package task, and click this one with this one. Let's rename them and we will call it we will rename it dim country loading, and we will rename it fact maintenance and loading, and we will edit it, and here go to packages and define the DTSX file which will be executed first, and again edit it, and in packages define what will be executed next. So in our the main DTSX file, we are defining the flow in which our tables will be loaded. This will be loaded first, then the maintenance within our main DTSX file. So what's next is if we expand the solution explorer, and we have three DTSX files. So how the SSIS package will know that which file or which DTSX file I have to run the first. So to do that, you will right click on this and click set as startup object, and now whenever I will run this package, even from country or even for fact maintenance, first it will write run the main DTSX file, because this will be the startup. Other thing is like we have dim country, dim states, dim maintenance person, dim asset unit. So each one will be connected to the same data warehouse. So is there a way to create a connection manager which will be connected to our same data warehouse, to avoid using so many connection managers? Like if we have five tables, then the five connection manager will be needed. But can we create a global? And yes, there is a way. If we click here and click here, uh, within the project schema connection manager and right click on the connection manager and ado.net connection add, and here new will retrieve the server. This is our server name, optional false, and here we will have our database which will be maintenance database. Yes, we test the connection and connection is succeeded. We will click OK. Okay, see, we have our main connection manager. If we edit this one, for all our files for the SQL server or where we will be loading our files. So what's next? We will start loading our tables like dim country dtsx. We will be loading a country, so go into SSIS toolbox, double click on this one. In data flow task, open the SSIS toolbox and source. We will be using flat file source. Sorry, this is not a common, it's here other sourcing. Flat file source, and we will be adding a destination, radio.net destination. If we double click new connection manager, dim country, dim country, file name, desktop, source, to files, dim one columns, and then okay, column, okay. We will be connecting this file, dim country source. We will be adding this one. Okay, we'll be loading to the dim country tables. Click on the mapping, country ID, country name. Okay, all good. So we have loaded our country. In the same way, we will be loading all our files. Let's do it here. Dim tables. Let's rename this from dim country to rename dimension tables. Dim table all. Okay. No. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put flat file source, and we have 4 tables, so we will be putting 4 files. They all will be loaded at once. Otherwise we have to create dtsx file for each one of them. To avoid this, I am using this method. So here, here, here. Oh, new action manager, dim states, browse files. Okay, okay. Double click on this one and where we will be loading this. Dim states on my pen and everything works fine. Let's rename them. Dim states source. Destination is dim, dim maintenance person. Double click on this one. Name dim maintenance person. Browse all files. And last one is asset unit. Looks good, looks good. Okay. Need to create a mapping here. Then asset unit. Then asset unit. Now then asset unit columns. Sorry, first we need to file then asset units. Okay, okay. Name asset units. Mapping. Fine, mapping fine. So you see, this is the way how we updated our dimension tables in a one single file, but this can be done in the separate files. Each, if we do it in separate files, it will give us a more control or flexibility to work with the individual one. But for the project, I think for now this is fine, but later if we required we will create it. That won't be a problem for us. So let's save our project. uh, yes, save this one also. Yes, save this one. This can be saved by building the solution. All the files will be saved automatically. This is done for now. Mm, let's run our program main.dtsx. See, everything works fine. You see, we have renamed our package, so we need to dim table all. Okay, now run it again, and this time it will be ran and it's completed. Okay, let's stop it, double check it if we have our uh, data into the dimension, and yes, we have our data. So our data will be loaded now. We will continue in the next video in for the SCD, slowly changing dimension, where the new field is added into a dimension and how we load that into our tables, and how we cater for the changing dimension in the production environment and the real-time scenarios. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.